Hi everyone, welcome to Learn Ethical Hacking, Penetration Testing and Bug Bounty Hunting course. My name is Divakar. I will be leading you throughout this journey. Today hacking is very fascinating for everyone. Do you know that you can earn money with your hacking skills and also you can work with the big giants like Google, Microsoft and Facebook. So now the question arises that why should you learn ethical hacking? This ethical hacking course will provide you all the basics and advanced concepts of ethical hacking. Our ethical hacking tutorials is developed for beginners and professionals. In this course, we will cover all the aspects associated with hacking, from installing needed softwares to finding vulnerabilities and exploiting them. We will learn the 4 types of penetration testing, which is network hacking, gaining access, post-exploitation and website hacking. In network hacking section, we will learn how network works, how to crack Wi-Fi keys and gain access to Wi-Fi network. In gaining access section, we will learn how to gain access to web server and personal computers. In post-exploitation section, we will learn what you can do with the access that we gained in the previous section. So, we will learn how to interact with the file system, how to execute a system command and how to open the webcam. In the website hacking section, we will learn how the website works and how to gather comprehensive information about the website. In the end, we will see how to hack website in the same way as black hat hackers do. So, if you're a beginner or a professional, here's this course for you. Enroll into this course and get lifetime access to all the videos and you will get all the updates too. If you have any doubt, feel free to ask. I will answer you all the questions within 48 hours. So get enrolled into this course and start learning. Thank you guys.